Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you crop video in CapCut. So let's start up the process. Open up CapCut. Now after selecting video, tap on Edit option at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll. Here you can see option Transform. Tap on this option. Now here you can see three options. Tap last option Resize. Now from here you can crop your video. After resizing, tap on tick at the right top of the screen. Now video has been cropped. If you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.